The silver pheasant is a species of pheasant found in forests mainly in mountains of mainland Southeast Asia and eastern and southern China, with introduced populations in Hawaii and various locations in the U.S. mainland. The male is black and white, while the female is mainly brown. Both sexes have a bare red face and red legs. It is common in aviculture, and overall also remains common in the wild, but some of its subspecies are rare and threatened. Taxonomy. Like other pheasants, the silver pheasant was placed in the genus Phasianus when described by Linnaeus in 1758. Since then it, or at least some of the subspecies associated with it, have been placed either in Euplocamus agantius. Today all major authorities place the silver pheasant in Lofura. The silver pheasant is closely related to the Calais pheasant and the two are known to hybridize. The placement of the taxa lineata and Crawfordi has been a matter of dispute, with some treating them as subspecies of the Calais pheasant and others as subspecies of the silver pheasant. They have greyish legs as in the Calais pheasant, but the plumage is closer to that of some subspecies of the silver pheasant. Additionally, as the silver pheasant, lineata and Crawfordi are found east of the Irrawaddy River, a major zoogeographic barrier, while all other subspecies of the Calais pheasant are found west of the river. Based on mtDNA, it was recently confirmed that lineata and Crawfordi should be regarded as subspecies of the Calais pheasant. With these two as subspecies of the Calais pheasant, the silver pheasant has 15 subspecies. However, while some subspecies are relatively distinctive, several others are likely part of a cline, which, if confirmed, would result in them being junior synonyms of the nominate subspecies. Several other taxa, for example Andersoni, are now considered invalid by all major authorities. Once considered a very rare species, the imperial pheasant is actually a naturally occurring hybrid between the silver pheasant and the Vietnamese pheasant. Subspecies. There are 15 recognized subspecies of the silver pheasant. In taxonomic order, LN. Occidentalis delacour, 1948. Western silver pheasant, south-central China and northeastern Myanmar. LN. Rufibes, ruby mined silver pheasant, northern Shan state of northern Myanmar. LN. Riponi, Ripon silver pheasant, southern Shan state of northern Myanmar. LN. Jonesy, Jones's pheasant, Myanmar to southwestern China and central Thailand. LN. Omaensis Cheng, Cheng, and Tang, 1964. Sichuan silver pheasant, southern Sichuan in south-central China. LN. Rongzhang and Sitan and Wu, 1981. Quaico silver pheasant, southeastern Guizhou in south-central China. LN. Bulioid delacour, 1948. Lao silver pheasant, south-central China to northern Laos and northern Vietnam. LN. Nicothemera, nominate, southern China to northern Vietnam. LN. White-heady, Hainan silver pheasant, Hainan in southern China. LN. Fockiensis delacour, 1948. Fockian silver pheasant, southeastern China. LN. Berlioz, Berlioz's silver pheasant, western slopes of Annamite Range in central Vietnam. LN. Belly, Bell's silver pheasant, eastern slopes of Annamite Range in central Vietnam. LN. Engelbarchi delacour, 1948. Bolovan silver pheasant, Bolavan plateau of southern Laos. LN. Lewis's silver pheasant, mountains of southwest Cambodia and southeast Thailand. LN. Annamensis, Annam silver pheasant, montane forests of southern Vietnam. Description. This is a relatively large pheasant, with males of the largest subspecies having a total length of 120 to 125 centimeters, including a tail of up to 75 centimeters, while the males of the smallest subspecies barely reach 70 centimeters in total length, including a tail of about 30 centimeters. centimeters. The body mass of males can range from 1.13 to 2 kilograms. Females of all subspecies are notably smaller than the respective males, with a size range of 55 to 90 centimeters in total length, including a tail of 24 to 32 centimeters. The body mass of females can range from 1 to 1.3 kilograms. Males of the northern subspecies, which are the largest, have white upper parts and tail, while their underparts and crest are glossy bluish-black. The males of the southern subspecies have grayer upper parts and tail with extensive black markings, making them appear far darker than the northern subspecies. The adult male plumage is reached in the second year. Females are brown and shorter tail than the males. Females of some subspecies have whitish underparts strongly patterned with black, and in white-headed. This extends to the upper mantle.